All right, so now we're going to work with a product of a number k and a matrix M. So if we have that, it's going to be noted as k times M. And basically, we're taking the matrix, whatever it is, M in this case, multiplying every element by k. So, for example, if we take a minus 3 times this matrix, we're going to take a minus 3 times that number and that element and that element and that element and that element. And so it looks like this. And so you get a minus 6, a minus 15, a 0, a 9, minus 3, 6, and so on. Okay? And so that's how you do it. You just take every element times whatever that number is out in front. So that was one way we can work with that one. So let's look at this one, sales commissions. So Ms. Smith and Mr. Juarez are salespeople in a new car agency that sells only two models. August was the last month for this year's models, and next year's models were introduced in September. Gross dollar sales for each month are given in the following matrices. So compact and luxury, Ms. Smith, Mr. Juarez. So they have, this is going to be our matrix A. Then this is September sales, and again, compact and luxury, and this is what matrix B is. Okay. And so what they want to do is what were the combined dollar sales in August and September for each salesperson and each model? Well, what we're just going to do is we're going to take and add the like elements. So the 54,000 plus 228, 88 plus 368, 126, 304, and 0 and 322. And that's going to be our new A plus B matrix. Okay. And doing that, this is what we end up with for our compact luxury cars for Ms. Smith and Mr. Juarez. Okay. Now, what was the increase in dollar sales from August to September? Well, now we're going to take B minus A and we're going to figure out what that is. And so B minus A, well, we take 228 minus 54, 368 minus 88, 304 minus 126, and 322 minus 0. And we end up with this matrix. Okay. And so again, it's just the matrix B minus A. And remember, you can just do subtraction like that, or you can take B plus a negative A. So you could change all the signs here to negative and then just add them. So again, you're doing the same thing. It just depends on the format you want to look at it as. Now, if both salespeople receive a 5% commission on gross dollar sales, compute the commission for each person for each model sold in September. All right, so and then September is this. So what we want to figure out is how much commission they made. So this case, we're going to have, 0.05 times B. That's what we're going to do because we're going to find that much on that one. And so that's what we do here. We just take 0.05 times each of the pieces and we get how much they made. So they made 11,400 on compact for Ms. Smith, 18,400 on luxury, and he made 15,200 on compact and 16,100 on luxury. So that's going to be how we look at doing these two different ways. Multiplying it all together and then adding all those things together. So you have that and that. So if we wanted to know the total, you would have to add those two together and those two together. But if they wanted it separate, we'd have that. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.